Hey friends, Will Springer from John L. Scott Real Estate. You know, I've talked ad infinitum about the shortage of homes in the United States and of course here in Puget Sound region. And in my January 19th blog post talks about another option, and that is manufactured homes. They come off the factory. Most of them are constructed right here in Washington or Idaho, Oregon. And what they are a fantastic option for the housing crisis, as I mentioned, because they are efficient, they're consistently made, and actually they are easier to install and move into than the normal construction. And there are many already present on lots around this area, Kitsap especially. So if you'd like more information about what manufactured homes are and where you can find them, check out my blog, willspringerrealtor.com/blog, January 19th.